What's up, everybody? It's your host, Alessio the Truth, and here's another video that I made for you today. This one with a voiceover. As you can see, Soleil's grinding the floor. We're getting it ready for a high build epoxy. Here's the Lavina doing its thing. Thank you, Monroe, Niagara Rentals, for the hookup. Here's the profile. The concrete was very, very soft, and the thin mill system wasn't going to work. So we decided to go with a high build epoxy system. As you can see, all those pores has to get filled up with a primer, otherwise you can get a lot of outgassing. Ain't nobody got time for that. So here, you see us installing a primer. Notice how heavy we're putting it on. For the installers out there, that's $2.50 a square foot right there. Square footage, that is, per gallon. You can see how it's filled up nicely. The slab's gonna drink it up. And you'll see this closer image. Look at this close up. Ready? Oh, prime surface. Oh, we couldn't get the other footage, so here's the epoxy. There's another beautiful picture of the epoxy. We're gonna put some urethane, y'all. Visit my website, concretemakeover.com.